3 wild pitches. So there's a wild pitch on Lewicki here. 1-0 pitch. Catches the plate for strike one. So Eade looking to drive home the runner from second, or excuse me, from third now. Runner from second. Corbier has moved over to third. Stoll second, moved over to third on the wild pitch. Swing and a miss. Like Lewicki took something off that. Good pitch. And now he's ahead of Eade, 1-2. Runner leads from third base. 1-2 coming up high, and Eade laid off. Didn't put any pressure on the catcher Marino there with a breaking pitch to get him to chase. He tried to get him to climb the ladder. Count now 2-2 to Turner Eade. Lewicki deals. So it's punched toward right field. It'll fall in there for a base hit. Coming home is Corbier as Turner Eade gets the 2-out single to give Missisquoi a 2-1 lead here in the third inning. Nice piece of hitting by Eade. Got behind in the count and then just threw the bat at the ball and dumped it into center field.